Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, you will need the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to have them handy as we progress through the steps. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 and removing the dust canister. This will prevent any debris from falling into the motor while you work. Next, use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are 4 screws that you need to take out. As you remove each screw, place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open carefully, but be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover off, you'll see the internal components. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris that has accumulated inside. A clean vacuum performs better and lasts longer. For a thorough cleaning, you can use a small brush or compressed air. Now, let's move on to the main body replacement. If you notice any cracks or damage to the body, it's crucial to replace it to ensure the vacuum operates efficiently. Align the new body with the existing components, making sure all connectors fit snugly. Before securing everything back together, if you find that you don't have the tools or are unsure about the process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get a thorough assessment without any pressure to commit to a repair. Proceed by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Ensure each screw is tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the plastic. After securing the screws, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Next, it's time to check that everything is functioning properly. Reconnect the power and turn on the vacuum to ensure the new body is fitted correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate a problem. If at any point you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, always remember to get a quote before repair if you decide to seek professional assistance later. This way, you can budget accordingly and avoid unexpected costs. In conclusion, replacing the full body of your Dyson SV14 is a straightforward process with the right tools and guidance. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner and maintain its efficiency. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.